Okay. So last class we done about addition of how to add in the Cartesian form of two vectors and three or more vectors. How to add, okay, we learned. Okay. Today we will go for the position vectors. Position vectors. So we done. We are going to finish all addition वगैरह हो जाएगा. Then we have to go for product vectors. Position vector means, what is meaning of position vector means? We will tell the coordinates with respect to origin. That is called position vector. Okay. So it specifies the position of the particle in space with respect to any arbitrary chosen origin. With respect to origin, we are showing that point in that particle in space. That is called position vector. Suppose x-axis, y-axis. Point x comma y is there. So what is the meaning of point x comma means? The particle went x direction and then particle went y direction, right? Is the meaning? The particle went x direction and the particle went y direction. This is the thing we learned. So now the position vector, how to represent position vector should be always with respect to origin. Origin say directly you join from initial point to the final point. This is nothing but the position vector we represent as r cap, r vector. The position vector is always with respect to origin only. Okay. Now r vector in vector form, try to tell me in Cartesian form. R is xi cap plus yj cap. Khatam. Xi cap. This is a position vector. R vector is nothing but position vector. Xi cap plus yj cap. Now, if I wrote in Cartesian form, I know how to find the mod r under root x square plus y square. And what they can ask r cap also. Position vector ka unit vector will be vector by mod r. So xi cap plus yj cap by under root x square plus y square. So position vector will be always with respect to origin only. Origin say directly you join a point. That is called position vector. Okay. Now if they tell in the this is for 2 dimension, 3 dimension mein the position vector will represent as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Khatam. This is a position vector. So name is a position vector. We are drawing a vector with respect to origin. That position is given by this one, r vector is. Okay. Next. Now we'll talk about displacement vector. Name itself indicates displacement vector means it is a vector joining initial position to the final position. So initial position where it is, final position where it is. If I join, that vector is nothing but displacement vector. This is y direction, x direction. Suppose you have a point A, x1, y1. This one vector is there. And B vector is there. उसका position vector x2, y2. इसका position vector is r1. इसका position vector is r2 with respect to origin. Okay. Two points are there. The particle went, suppose from here to here. The particle went from A. This is the initial position. This is the final position. What is displacement vector means? The vector joining initial position to final position. Initial position is here. Final position is here. This is nothing but displacement vector. Okay. Simply joining the point from initial position to final position, that vector is called initial displacement vector. Now tell me, now here AB is displacement vector. And now how to find this one? Use triangle law. What is triangle law says? That there are two vectors in the same direction, and the resultant vector is in opposite direction. So what is resultant vector here? Which is the resultant vector?
R2.
R2. So triangle la use karo. R1 vector plus AB vector. Two directions, two vectors are in the same direction. The resultant vector is nothing but R2 vector. So therefore, AB vector is R2 vector minus R1 vector. This is the displacement vector. So final minus initial always we have to do. Now if I want to write in this one coordinates form, R2 is nothing but final x coordinate is x2 minus x1, right? So x2, R2 vector I'm writing x2 I cap plus y2 j cap minus R1 vector in vector form, in Cartesian form, x1 I cap plus y1 j cap. Okay. Then if I take common, x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap. This is nothing but displacement vector. So very important, whenever the coordinates are given, suppose, so it is 2 comma 1 comma 5, and here coordinates are 3 comma 2 comma 7. So tell me what is the displacement vector? Final minus initial I cap लगाओ. Tell me.
1, 1, 2.
In I cap j cap में 1 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k
2
cap.
K cap.
So final minus initial always we have to do. That's it. This is vector.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ 820 ಹೋಗೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಿ 825 ತನಕ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಂತ
Okay, done. Okay. चलो ये यूज करेंगे. A particle initially is at a point this much, moves finality to this much. Write the initial position vector, final position vector, and displacement vector of the particle. Initial position vector means I cap, j cap terms में right? So initial position vector is how much? R1 vector is 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap. And final position vector is
3 I cap plus 2 J cap minus 3 K.
now find displacement vector.
I cap minus 2 j cap minus 9 k cap.
Simply subtract करने का, right? R2 minus R1 vector is nothing but displacement vector. So I cap minus 2 j cap minus 9 k cap. खत्म. This is answer. Next. A particle का speed is given, moves along the line from here to here. Find the velocity vector, मतलब in the form of I cap and j cap.
So 7 I cap plus 24 j cap. 7 I cap plus 24 j cap.
7 I cap plus 24 j cap. That's it, huh? No, wrong. Velocity vector, right? Velocity vector means it has both magnitude and direction. And direction is v cap. And velocity ka direction is nothing but the displacement ka direction, unit vector. Both are same, right? So 50 into वो करने का कितना आएगा? इसका unit vector will be 7 I cap plus 24 j cap by under root 49 plus 576. So 25, right?
Yeah.
25 into 50. So 14 I cap
plus 48 j cap.
That is the answer.
Okay.
Vector means the magnitude direction दोनों रहने का. Next. The position vectors are given to you. Find displacement vector simply. AB vector.
3 I cap plus 4 j.
Khatam. Now multiplication of two vectors. Addition ka everything done. In the vectors mein, what are the things we learn? Simply addition, subtraction, and unit vectors, resolution of vectors, and position vector, displacement vector, everything done. आपको multiplication of vectors done. Multiplication पूरा हो गया तो done, chapter done. Okay? चलो. They finished the multiplication, right? School mein, that's it. मतलब vector product not done, that's it. Right?
Yeah, that's it. Like only dot product is done.
Okay, no problem. Exam done ना?
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. Now इसके बाद थोड़ा रिवाइज करके some JEE mains questions will be given after multiplication में. In the class में I'll give so that आपको idea आ जाएगा. Okay? चलो. Multiplication में we have different types of multiplication. कौन सा है? One is
dot product cross.
Dot product है. दूसरा cross product. And दूसरा normal multiplication. Scalar into vector. Tell me. Scalar into vector will be vector or scalar? Vector. And scalar, this is the example I can give. 2 times of 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 2 k cap. Tell me, scalar into vector. Multiplication easy, right?
Yeah,
so
6 I cap
6 I
plus
cap
8 j cap minus 4 k cap.
This is scalar into vector ka example. Okay. Second one is we are learning dot product. Dot product means vector into vector, right? Into vector. Answer will be
Vector.
if it's dot product, answer is scalar.
Okay.
And दूसरा third one vector into vector. Cross vector. It is called cross product. Answer is vector. These three के बारे में हम लोग लर्न करने वाला है. दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशन में दो अलग है. वन इज डॉट प्रोडक्ट, वन इज क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. डॉट प्रोडक्ट का vector product will be always scalar. Like example, work done. Work done is equal to force dot displacement. देखो force is a vector quantity, displacement is also vector quantity, but dot product will be the scalar. Work is a scalar. And famous one इसका क्या है? Torque. R cross F. देखो R displacement vector है, A भी vector है, दोनों को cross product is also vector, torque is also vector. Torque is nothing but moment of force आगे आएगा. चलो. Now first one is scalar product or dot product of two vectors. Scalar product or dot product of two vectors. So simple क्या है? Suppose two vectors are there, A vector and B vector. Angle between them is theta. Angle between them is theta. Then what is A dot B is nothing but mod A mod B cos theta. This is magnitude. Mod A mod B cos theta is a formula for dot product. A B cos theta. Simple. Two vectors ka dot product we are doing. Here it is a scalar quantity. Here no I cap, J cap, K cap. In answer, final answer will be number aega. Okay. So what is formula? Tell me. A dot B formula is mod A
mod
B
cos theta.
Cos theta is a formula. Now, if you know, we have a special cases. Tell me when theta is 0 degrees. Angle between them is 0 degrees. Tell me what is A dot B will be? Mod A mod B cos 0. Cos 0 is how much?
1.
1. So that is AB. And this is the maximum value. Right? Now tell me when theta is equal to 90 degrees. How much A dot B will be?
0.
0 degrees. मतलब very important. ये वाला बहुत important केस है. When two vectors का angle between them is 90, there is nothing but A dot B is 0 because mod A mod B cos 90 is 0. So dot product is 0. And when theta, this is मतलब two dot product of two लिख लो, dot product of two perpendicular vectors. Dot product of two perpendicular vectors is always 0. Okay. Yes. So these are the things about it. Next, properties of dot product. Properties of dot product. Tell me, what are the properties you know? Tell me. Properties. Dot product is commutative property.
Yes.
A dot B is equal to B dot A means yes. Write down. First one is A dot B is equal to B dot A. उधर भी लिख लो बाजू में. It is a commutative property. Commutative property. Second one is distributive property. लिखो. Distributive property. मतलब A dot B plus C. So what will be the answer? It will distribute for both A dot B plus A dot C. So it is also satisfying distributive property. And tell me what is A dot A? Same vector. Same vector का?
Yes, good.
Same vector का angle is 0 degrees always. Same direction, right?
Yeah.
So A mod A cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, right? A into A square. So same vector ka, it is always A square. Right on. Done? Na? Yes. Next, dot product of orthogonal unit vectors. I told you orthogonal means perpendicular unit vectors. So matlab you have I cap, ठीक x direction में, y direction में, z direction. Here x direction में I cap, j cap, k cap. But tell me I dot j. How much? I k dot j. कुछ भी होने दो. देखो I and j means x axis y axis are perpendicular, right? Perpendicular का dot product will be
0.
So I dot j is 0. Okay, mod a. See, these are unit vectors. Mod I, इसका meaning क्या है? Tell me. I vector dot j vector. मतलब mod I, mod j, cos 90. देखो mod I is 1 only because unit vector का magnitude is 1 into 0. Right? Now tell me I dot I.
I square.
नहीं, I dot I, j dot j, k dot k. Value is how much?
1.
Because magnitude of I is 1. Okay. So mod I cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Mod is 1. Mod I is 1. So 1 answer. So always apply dot product का easy हो जाएगा.
Sir, can you move?
Okay. करो. चलो. Now dot product of two vectors when A and B are in Cartesian form. Tell me when A and B are Cartesian form. Suppose A vector is there. Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap. And B vector is there. Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz j k cap. Tell me what is A dot B that time? See, I dot I is how much? Tell me.
1.
1. So what is the answer? Ax Bx plus Ay
By
By
plus
plus Az Bz. खत्म. Simply multiply करने का सिर्फ कुछ नहीं. I dot. We can't multiply this I dot j. Both are 0. So I and I only multiply. But j only multiply. K only multiply. Scalar products are easy. Just multiplication. A dot B. Mod A mod B cos theta is the formula. See, vectors chapter mein what will happen, if you ask in second year people, like no one will see about vectors that time. Even if you ask your sister also, no one will talk about vectors. Why? Because every step of may vectors chapter will be coming. In second year mein full vectors only. In between chapters mein. So that time this will become like A plus B whole square formula. So vectors chapter will be very easy. So don't get stuck in only one chapter. ऐसा मत stuck करो. You have to go forward. Then again revise means automatically easy होते जाएगा automatically. Even kinematics also. In between में every time we'll get the form. Every middle में kinematics आता जाएगा. So kinematics also will be easy हो जाएगा. Okay. चलो next. करो. If the vectors A and B are given, they are perpendicular to each other. Find the value of lambda. They're in Cartesian form they given. They're perpendicular. Understood, right? When they are perpendicular, their dot product is 0.
26.
So this is 26. Yes. So क्या करेंगे? A dot B is equal to 0. So 2 into minus 8 minus 18 plus lambda is equal to 0. Lambda equal to 26. Next. A body acting upon a force of 50 newtons displaced through a 10 meters in a direction making angle 60 degrees with the force. तो एक बॉडी है उसके ऊपर एक बॉडी है इसके ऊपर फोर्स लग रहा है 50 न्यूटन्स विथ एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्रीज ऐसा फोर्स धक्का दिया तो इट मूव्ड टू ए डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ हाउ मच 10 meters. Then he is asking what is the work done by this force. Work done is how much? So work done formula मालूम है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
$250
Units?
joules.
Joules. Yes. So formula is F dot S. Dot product है ना? So mod F mod S cos mod S is 10 into cos 60 is 1/2. So it is 250. A particle moves from here to here under the action of force, then the work done. Simple. और combination में हो रहा है.
Sir, can you do it once?
How much?
Can you do it once?
See,
I'm
a
getting
particle moves from here to here. Displacement is how much?
11 I cap plus 11 J cap plus 15 K cap.
14 minus 3, 11 I cap plus 13 minus 12, 11 j cap
plus
plus
15 k
15 cap. And force is
4 I cap plus j cap plus 3 k
खत्म. Work done is how much?
FS
Work done is F dot S. Dot put करो कितना आएगा? 44 because I dot I is 1, right? Cartesian form. They're in Cartesian form. Cartesian form में always you have to multiply I dot. There is no answer. I cap j cap नहीं आएगा answer. So 44 plus 11 plus 45. How much? 45, 55, 60, 100. 100 joules. So 100 joules of work is done by this when the particle went from here to here by this force. So here displacement का concept आ गया ना. Displacement always final minus initial करने का. These are position vectors are given to you. Now angle between two vectors. Angle between two vectors. You know angle between the two vectors का formula which is coming from this formula only. A dot B का formula क्या है?
ABcosθ
Mod A mod B
ABcosθ
cos theta. So from this, what is cos theta? A dot B by mod A mod B. Khatam. So whenever they will tell to find the angle between two vectors, simply cos theta we have to find. So from that we can find theta equal cos inverse करके the answer will be there. Okay, angle between two vectors is A dot B by mod A mod B, which is coming from the formula only. This application where we used to find angles. Okay. Chalo. A equal to this much, B equal to this much. Find the angle between them. A dot B by mod A mod B.
So 90 degrees.
How much?
90 degrees.
Yes, correct. Good. 90 degrees answer. Find the angle between two vectors.
$60 degrees.
60 degrees. We'll see. Cos theta formula क्या है? A dot B. So dot product करो. 2 minus 1 plus 1, right? By
Yes, sir.
mod A. Mod A means under root 4 plus 1 plus 1 into under root 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 minus 1, 1, 2 by under root 6 into under root 3. So under root 18. Under root 18 means 3 root 2. So nothing but root 2 by 3.
Yeah.
So there is no angle, right? Theta equal to cos inverse root 2 by 3 is answer. So there is no perfect angle. Then when you send this side, it will become cos inverse, which we studied in math, basic maths. तो प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा करो, मिस्टेक्स चल रहे हैं आपका, ज्यादा मिस्टेक्स हो रहे हैं. So it's not doing mistakes. Calculation mistake concept we should be very clear and go on doing the questions practice. ज्यादा theoretical ज्यादा मत करो. Go for only for questions only. Don't go for theory at all. ठीक है, फिर से listen करूंगा, ये सब नहीं है. आराम से पढ़ो और go for the questions. Next. No करो कट.
Sir, cos inverse 3 by 4.
3 by 4 is which angle? छोटा by I put 3 by 4 है no. देखो, why where you doing mistake? Tell me. Cos theta is equal to, tell me. What you got ऊपर? A dot B.
Plus 2.
ऊपर 2 only.
No, like 2 plus 1 plus 2
2
plus
plus 2. How much?
4.
By under root?
Root 3 into root 3.
Root 5.
3.
Here, here how much? Why root 3? Under root A square plus B square. 2 square
Oh, yeah,
plus
okay,
1 is
okay,
how much?
fine.
5. And here under 2 square plus 1 is how much? 5. So it is 4 by 5.
4 by 5.
So theta is how much? 4 by 5 means?
37.
37 degrees. Adjacent by hypotenuse, right? 37 degrees. Again mistake.
Yes.
Now component of vector B along A. Very important concept है. Component of vector B along A. Tell me, suppose A vector is there and B vector is there. Angle between them is theta. Now tell me, what is the component of B along A? Tell me.
B sin theta.
Wherever theta is there, उस तरफ क्या आएगा? Cos. So
Cos
B cos theta. Okay. This is the magnitude B only, right? This is magnitude B. What is cos theta formula? A dot B by mod A mod B.
Mod.
And mod B cancel. So you know A dot B is equal to B dot A only. Right? By mod A. What is vector A by mod A? What is it called?
A cap.
A cap. So I can add this one. B vector into dot A cap. This is a formula. So very important. The component of B along A means directly you can add B cos theta. If the theta is given, but they will not give theta, they will give in vector form. 2i cap, 3j cap, like that they will give. So आपको क्या करने का? B vector dot A cap. This is the component of B along A. What is component of A along B? A vector dot B cap.
B cap.
So पहले B आएगा B vector and बाद में A आए A cap use करने का. तो एक याद रखो उल्टा. So this is component of B along A. And here A cap is vector A by mod A. Done? Okay. So what is the formula? Component of B along A means B vector dot A cap. Okay. Now find the component of, tell me, 2i cap. A vector is given as 2i cap plus 3j cap. In vector form is given along the vector I cap plus j cap. I want to find the component of A along B. Find karo. So what is the formula? Component of A along B means A vector dot B cap. Component of A along B.
Five by root two.
Correct. Yeah. One small topic है वेक्टर कंपोनेंट. वेक्टर कंपोनेंट बोलते हैं, ये बहुत रेयर में आएगा. I want suppose vector component of B along A. Vector component. Vector has both magnitude and direction, right? Suppose मान लो same thing only. This is A vector, this is B vector. An angle between them is theta, right? This is a component of. Now tell me what is the component of B along A? We know formula. Tell me B cos theta, or we can write as B vector dot A cap, right? This is magnitude, right? This is nothing but value, magnitude only, or value. This is also magnitude only, or value. But vector has both magnitude and direction. This is magnitude. Direction is given by direction along A vector is nothing but A cap. So आपको क्या करने का? Simply B dot A cap लगा. This is the formula for vector component of. This is magnitude. This is direction. Direction के लिए along A में unit vector I am putting. One more unit vector add करना पड़ेगा. That's it. Vector component में one more unit vector add करने का. So by this, your complete dot product successfully done. Okay, very simple है. Vector product also maximum one class में हो जाएगा.